My name is Madden. I'm the Executive Vice President responsible for hardware and system product development at Xilinx. So 5G technology is incredibly complex, and our feeling is that no one company can develop all of the elements, whether it be the chips, the software, or the IP. If you look at our recent collaboration with Samsung, deploying the first commercially available 5G NR in Korea, coming together as two companies to offer that solution showed how the ecosystem can work. We're also very excited that Samsung will be taking this technology worldwide in 2019. This year we will come out with our Gen 2, which will take that up to 5 gigahertz, and then later this year we'll be sampling our Gen 3, which offers everything from 6 gigahertz down, covering the whole 5G band in that range. So in each of these offerings we've added more functionality. We've also eliminated more analog functionality on the board, and our Gen 3 will also have a much more sophisticated on-chip clocking technology, making it simpler for companies like Samsung to integrate. In reality, the way we look at this device is it's like a 5G radio on a chip. So all you have to do is add a power amplifier, and essentially you have a 5G solution. So again, using the expertise that Samsung brings to bear in building radio technology and offering software together with our chip technology, we think we really have an opportunity to revolutionize how radios are designed.